The app
It's just not working.
is just not
Oh,
working.
the worst.
I know.
That's so frustrating.
So today we're doing a deep dive into how to troubleshoot TikTok when it's not working.
Yeah. Okay, so first things first.
Okay.
Clearing your cache.
Oh, yeah, clearing the cache.
This is like the number one
Go-to
fix for so many
tech problem.
tech problems.
So how do we clear the cache?
Okay, so super easy.
Okay.
Go into your TikTok app,
Okay.
head to your profile.
Hmm.
You're going to tap on that menu icon,
Those three little lines.
the three little lines, yep. And then scroll down to settings and privacy.
Okay.
And you'll see an option that says free up space.
Okay.
Tap on that,
Mm-hmm.
and then you can clear your cache.
But what if TikTok is still being a jerk?
Okay, so then we need to think about like how your device is connecting to the internet.
Okay.
So sometimes the issue isn't with TikTok itself,
Gotcha.
it's with your IP address. There could be a few reasons.
Okay.
Maybe network restrictions in your region,
All right.
geo-blocking,
Yeah.
or even censorship.
Okay.
And so a VPN, it's like it gives you a temporary new online address. So it's
Okay.
like putting on a disguise for your phone.
Right.
You connect to the VPN, you get a new address,
Okay.
and then TikTok can't block you anymore.
So it's like tricking TikTok.
Exactly.
Gotcha. Okay, so that's interesting.
Yeah.
But before we get too far down this technical rabbit hole,
Yeah.
we need to talk about age restrictions
That's a big one.
because I know TikTok
Oh, yeah.
is very serious about protecting younger users.
Absolutely. They are very careful.
Yeah. So even
Even teens between 13 and 15,
yeah.
they have accounts with
Smart.
like specific safety features and limitations.
Yeah.
So-
So if you're having trouble accessing TikTok,
Right.
double check that the birth date entered is accurate.
We need to give TikTok permission to access certain things on our phones.
Yeah, like our camera and our microphone if we want to make videos.
Exactly. Those are essential
Right.
for, using the app to its full potential.
Okay, but how do we know if we've given it permission?
Okay, so Android users,
Okay.
go to your phone settings,
Right.
then apps.
Yeah.
Find TikTok, tap on permissions,
Gotcha.
and then make sure camera and microphone access are enabled.
Okay.
iPhone users.
Yeah.
It's a little bit different.
Okay.
Go to settings,
Yeah.
then privacy and security.
Okay.
And you can verify camera and microphone access there.
Perfect. All right. And then as a last resort,
Last resort.
we restart our device.
Restart.
Okay. Awesome. Well, I hope this helps everyone out there who is struggling with TikTok.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive.
That's some fun.
See you next time.
See ya.